Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you're just stopping by, just hit the like button, also subscribe. So I am in the Alligator area in Manchester. So I'm gonna give you a little tour in this area because a lot of persons hear about them places the same way, where them come get them steam fish and Little Ochie at them places as well. So I'm gonna give you a little drive through the town. So enjoy it with Fire Reid, True Jamaican Vibes. So keep on watching, guys. Yeah man, so this is a life in a Alligator Pond, Manchester. Yeah man, so you see the sign, Little Ochie Seafood Specialist, Alligator Pond, Manchester. Contact number 876-526-430. This way. Yeah, man, see the youths them by the corner there. So we just need to know them small place here. No matter how small it is, just need to know them areas same way because you know. Yeah, we need to know them places and my people. Yeah man, so Jamaica nice, sweet. So I'm gonna make a left turn, Little Ochie side, gonna make a left turn. So if you don't want to do Irish mash, you can come and look at Ochie side same way. I'm telling them this again, I drive through the place and I'm going to see what I go on. One next day I'm going to part 2 and look at Ochie side and show you them different type of seafood them have there and stuff, you know. Yes, the people, that's a tourist place, tourist sweet Jamaica. Man, so you can keep on watching, you know, because I don't know. Different places you will see, different areas also. Yeah man, Alligator Pond area, Manchester. Yeah, you can know say it's a fishing area, a lot of fish pot and stuff, you know. Cause a lot of persons when they come to Alligator and they don't go stop right at Little Ochie as well or a bunch of grape. They never really tour a place like that. So I have a barber shop in them place. I see myself when I want a haircut. Mini mart. Big up yourself, big boss. A lot of sun in the area. You can see a sun road, you know. On watching, guys, at the Alligator Pond area. So big up all the hustler them. You see everybody a hustle. Try to make two ends meet. Sell them shows on them radio. Big up on yourself anyone there. people. If you make a right turn, we'll take you all to Oswald Seafood. You can see the vendor them, all different type of vendors sell them clothes and everything. Yeah, so I'm gonna make a right turn. Alligator upon Manchester. Look at the mountain, nice view of the mountain. So this road can take you right all back to Milk River. Also can take you all to Coast Road. Coast Road, that's where a lot of fast cars. Yeah man, you got Coast Road. If you want to go see a lot of race on Sunday, you can go to Coast Road. So big up all of my subscribers them and big up my fans them, anyone of the yard or abroad, and big up on yourself. Thanks for tuning in with Fire Reid, the Jamaican tour guide. Yeah man, I tell you it's a Jamaica nice people. Jackson. Thank you all for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.